So guys, this is question number 26, and we are going to calculate the area of a circle, right, using JavaScript. So this is the step 1, which I'm going to tell you about why I wrote this, right, and under all the step I'm going to explain one by one. So let's talk about step 1. So first we have to define the radius. In this step we define the radius of the circle for which we wanted to calculate the area. We set the value of 5 in this example, but you can replace it with any positive number value that like represent the radius of your circle. And come to the step 2. Step 2 is all about in calculate the area, and in this part of the code we calculate the area of circle using the formula like pi into r, radius, and 2 power minus, where pi is a mathematical constant approximately equal to 3.14159, and r is the radius of the circle. And math.pi is used to access the value of pi. Math.pw radius 2 is used to calculate r to power 2, which means raising the radius to the power of 2, squaring the radius. Okay, so the result is stored in the area circle, right? Area variable. The result is stored in the area variable. So what is the output, the result? In this final step, we use console.log to display the result, which include the radius and the calculated area of the circle. So the area of the circle with the radius of 5 is how much? It will output the area of the circle with the radius of 5 is 78.53, right? So I will wrote for you all output. Let's start. We have to do this. Come to this step. A of the is of a. The output, the area of the circle with the radius of 5 is 78.5398. Okay, so this is explanation part of the question number 26, and in this I solved about the calculate the area of the circle. So yeah, so come to the question number 26. I'm going to solve it.